Hello, this is Sumant. In this video, I'm going to explain regarding how to hover image, and the other thing is how to get the GitHub details using API. So first coming to hover image. So this is the HTML page where we have given for these images, we have given the text as well as the link of the image, and we have two functions like on mouse out and on mouse over. So whenever we let me run this. So this one I have already run. So whenever we go over, so it will get display on that frame. Whenever we go out, it will come to default. So for this, whenever we go over, it gets called this function update this. So this is like it will have details of this alt and source. This logic is here. So by giving this, so we get the details of alt as well as source details in preview pic. So we are calling them using preview pic dot alt and dot source. So we are storing in this variables alt text and image URL, and we are taking the document element id as image. So this is the id image, the empty frame we can see. So we are getting that element, and we are updating the background image using the URL what we get in this dot source, and we are updating image text also by giving the alt text whatever we get. So here battery is dead, and this link, so we are giving it to that. And there is another one as undo. So for that also we are taking the element, but we are giving the default text as well as URL empty. So if we go like this, it will update both of the things, and URL nothing image is displayed, and text also hover over an image below too. So that's it for the first task, and coming to second task. So this one is getting the GitHub details. So first let me run and show. So this one I have already run it. So whenever we type here name and click enter, so we get the details. So here I am showing the ID block, the website, and his company name and a GitHub ID. So whenever we click the profile link, it will open a new tab which is GitHub details. So this how we can access the GitHub user. So let me try giving the other person. So here we shall try the name giving the V. So this one is already existed. So let me give. So it will show there is no such user. Please enter a valid username. So for this, in HTML we created container, and the error message, and here the profile details, everything. So this one whenever I click on after entering in input text, so if I click enter, so it will read the keyboard, it will take the key press in this function, and the username it will take. So here I'm checking for the username, and passing the username to get GitHub info, and passing the username, and we are even getting the response from that function. So whenever I pass the username, it will get in this user, and I'm creating a instance of this class, and send a get request using this. So here we can see the URL, the API, and here we are concatenating the username. So here I'm loading a function by checking the status is okay 200 and ready state. So based on that, I am calling the callback xhr. So xhr, we get the details of the user, and I'm using callback xhr. I'm sending the details to that function again. So here I'm parsing the response whatever I get from that. So after parsing the data, the user details are there. So I'm passing the show user function. So here I am getting all the API details in this user. So in this I am accessing, it is in the form of dictionary. So here we can access dot login and dot outer everything. So let me show this. So this is the dictionary, we have the JSON data. So from this I'm accessing the individual elements and displaying here. Yeah, yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.